Hey guys, Allison here. Super quick video. I went down to my post box in Point Roberts, picked up my July card kit from SSS Stamp. So let's see what's inside this month. Got my sucker. Alright, we'll just start on the top. Oh, that's right. There's a flamingo. Flamingo die cut. Isn't that fun? And I believe it matches the stamp set, but we'll get to that. So there's some fun sequin mix, lots of yellows and oranges. A foam sheet, like sticky foam. So you could use it as one big piece if you want to pop up the whole like card front, or obviously you can die cut it up, whatever you want. Some puffy stickers from Amy Tangerine, lots of fun summer icons. Fruit, luggage, sandals, butterflies, birds, lots of fun things. A hot pink envelope, sparkly pink cardstock, that's fun. That'd be really fun to do the flamingos in. And then I can't remember who the 6x6 paper is, so let's look underneath and cheat. Summer Splash. Cardabella. Okay. So Cardabella's papers are usually double-sided. So I'll show you both sides. More flamingos. So the sides that I'm seeing right off the bat that I probably wouldn't use to make a card. I don't make a lot of summer cards, to be honest. But there's always those summer birthdays that could benefit from some of these, but I'm not about to put something about pool therapy on the front of my card, but the back is a really usable print. So that's something to keep in mind. On the front is maybe something a little bit out there. The back is going to have a print that is usable. These are tops of pop bottles, like whatever those are called, you know. Oh, but then a really nice wood grain and multicolors. Okay, so those are the 6x6 papers. That's really fun. And what else do we have? Amy Tangerine sticker book. Ooh, a whole sticker book. Wow. I swear these kits are getting more and more packed every month. They do sell out quickly, so I would highly recommend signing up to get your own subscription so you don't miss out, because they are gorgeous and they're packed with lots and lots of stuff. So here's a quick flip through the sticker book. These are clear. I'm not sure if they're all clear stickers. These are not missing, they are white. I almost thought there that somebody had already gone into my sticker book, but that's not the case. Lots and lots of fun icons. Go with the puffy stickers, obviously. These butterflies have some gold foil to them, but it looks like they are all on clear. Super fun. And the stamp set. Another 6x8 set. We've got the flamingo. I've said this before, so if you watch my channel, then you've heard this before, but my daughter was a flamingo in the dance show this year. So I have been gravitating towards all things flamingo. But I love this saying, be a flamingo in a flock of pigeons. Alright, so that's a lot of fun. And then there's some note cards here. It's like maybe 3 or 4. Take a look at the list here. 3-pack, yeah. So then that's the inspiration sheet, so it includes some images that some of the other designers have made with the kit already. And these are the cardstocks. So we have got Island Blue, Bright Yellow, Dull Pink, that matches the envelope, and Green Leaf. Okay, so that is the July SSS Stamp Card Kit. And as always, anything I make will go up on my blog or Instagram. I've been posting most things to Instagram lately, so maybe check there first. And I'll put the little, I'm at Day Designing on Instagram. And I can't wait to get started playing with this. Thanks, guys. Bye.